Simpsons. Alright, here we go. Let's start here with a line right about here. That's looking nice. What we can do is now we can make his brow for his eye right about there. And then what we can do is make an eyeball. His big old eyeball like that. Bart's got funny big eyeballs, doesn't he? And then we could draw his second eye right there, just like that. Don't worry if it's not as round. Well, sometimes I'm not very good at doing round things, but we could put an eyeball in like that. That's nice. And another one over there. And he's already starting to look like Bart, isn't he? And now we can draw his nose, just like that. There we go. And then his lip comes down like that. And then across like that for his mouth. There's a little cheek there, that's nice. And now we draw his lip here, just like that. And his neck will come down like that. There we go, and we'll round off his t-shirt here, just like that. And now we can come up for the back of his head. Right about there, we draw his ear. Very nice. The little inside of his ear like that, looking good. And now we'll come right back up and we'll meet his head. Top of his hair, right about there where the last line was that we started with. Now we can just do lots of these like that. There we go, it's Bart. There's his face, there's the guy. And now what we do is we bring his shirt down like this. There's the top, a little belly like that, looking good. Come across like this, and then we're gonna draw his sleeve here of his t-shirt, just like this. There we go. Bring his arm down like that. That's nice. And we'll put it as if he's got his hands in his pockets. Just a line like that, that'll give you a look like his hand is in his pocket. There we go, a little bulge in his shorts here. Just like that, where his hand would be. And then his pant leg coming down like this, right across like that, up like that, and across for his bum. And then we can continue his shirt here, and then bring it like that. Very nice. And there's the top of his neck of his shirt, looking good. So we've got one leg here. Let's draw another short leg. There we go. And now we can draw his legs there. 1, 2, 1, 2, just like that. Round it off like that. Then the top of his shoes here. Top of his shoes there. Looking good. Just like this. Pretty simple. There we go. Give him a sole. That's nice. And then we'll put this shoe as if it's behind, like this. Give him that sole again. Up just a little bit from that one, so it gives him some depth. There we go, looking nice. And just to top it off, we're gonna put his other arm over here, just a little bit like this and that. There we go. Looking good, everybody. Bart Simpson. All right, now for the color.
Yellow for his skin. Red for his shirt. Blue for his shorts and shoes. Thanks, everyone.